I got this Shrinkies set for my daughter's birthday party, and it was such a hit. If you're unfamiliar with Shrinkies, they are so fun. You simply color a bit of plastic, toss it in the oven, and then it shrinks up. And as it shrinks, the colors become brighter, and it turns into a harder piece, which is great for a variety of accessories. And while I got some plain shrink paper as well, this set was the most successful because it had all these different playful designs, and the kids really love filling them in. They have great color lines for each one, and I love that each one was already hole punched so I could turn them into necklaces and keychains with the included accessory packet. It came with pencils, but I used my own and Sharpies, and they came out so well. This is a little robot my son made. My daughter made this hot dog, and this one I made into a necklace using the necklace pieces from the kit. It just snaps together really easily with the little plastic snap. So great. If you're looking for a playful activity for an event or just to while away an afternoon, check out Tiger Tribe Shrinkies Ultimate Collection.